Welcome to Comp 252, everybody. I'm so excited for this semester together. I want to use this short video to just give you a few tips for navigating our course. We'll keep checking in, of course, and make sure everybody's on the right page, but I just want to introduce the way that I've set up the course so that you know where to find things and how to get your work accomplished most successfully. So here we are on our course homepage, and the first thing I want to make sure and mention is that if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the contact information for me, including my home phone number, as well as the link for my Zoom meeting room where I'll be hosting Zoom office hours if you'd like to come and visit via Zoom on any of these days. I also will be hosting office hours as long as we're having classes in person. I'll be hosting them on the main floor of the library in our new Peer Education Center. So super important on the homepage, my contact information so you can reach me and we can be successful together. The way that we'll navigate our course is through modules, so I'm going to go ahead and go there and show you how our modules look. When you're navigating through our modules, we always start with the beginning of the module and then work our way down through each piece of content like you're starting to today. I want to show you one of our more content-based modules and point out a couple of things that will be super helpful for you. First of all, each of the modules has a title that includes the date range in which you should be working on the content in this module. And if you scroll down in the overview page, you'll also see the key due dates for that module. This short first module only has 2 assignments in it, but other modules might have several assignments. So you'll want to keep track of these due dates. You can start planning ahead for these assignments. As you probably know, if you've been working in online courses before here at Fort Lewis, looking ahead to upcoming due dates and planning time to accomplish all of the behind-the-scenes work for those projects is super important to your success. So again, I'm going to work through this first page, then I'm going to work through each page in order in the module. So I'm going to make sure and go all the way down this page and then click Next to go to the next page. This assignment is a good example of one that has some behind-the-scenes work that we need to leave time for before we get to the component that we're going to turn in. So this 3 laws analysis is one of your first assignments. It has a short introduction, and then it includes some readings for you to do before you start your work. So again, looking ahead, knowing that I need to allow time to read a chapter, a short article, and then to skim through chapter 2 as well, I am going to plan ahead for that assignment time. Then I'm going to plan for completing this short writing assignment, which is the actual component that I'll turn in as part of this assignment. I'm going to go back here to modules and show you just one more example of what I mean by working through the content in order. So in this first module, you'll do your 3 laws analysis, you'll do some thinking about workplace emails, and then turn in an email that you write to one of your other professors. I'll show you maybe this page here. For this page, this is the introduction to our job search module, and I just want to show you within this page the importance of working my way down through the page is that I am doing several things on this page that contribute to my success in the course, even though I'm not turning them in. So I'm reading this chapter, I'm reading the assignment descriptions, then I'm reading these links down here. You'll see a link for 10 skills, a link to a few short videos from Cornell Optimal Resume, then I'm starting my job search. So you get the idea, right? That each of these pages could be considered a key content component. These are the types of activities we would do together if we were meeting in person. So working through this content, stopping for the practice assignments, engaging with the reading, watching the videos, all of those are super important components to your success, and you could think about them as the in-class equivalent and the homework equivalent. So all of this behind-the-scenes work is the same kind of work you would do if we were meeting in person, but you're just doing it at your own pace wherever you'd like in our online version of our class. So after I've done all that behind-the-scenes work, then I move on to the assignment, and all of that work I've done before would help me prepare this research memo and skills assessment that I need to do and actually turn in. So again, my tips for you are to move through the content in order interact with all of the content on each of the pages, including videos and readings and practice assignments. Use that as your vital preparation to get ready for the bigger assignments that you'll actually turn in. And then also make sure and look ahead. So make note of key due dates, watch for things that are coming up. And our class, just so you know, will kind of operate on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. So you'll see the due dates appearing on that timeline. Even though we're not meeting in person on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you could kind of think about it in your calendar as a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, and know that almost all assignments will be due on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights by 10 p.m. Reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm so excited to work with you and get to meet with you and get to know more about you and your writing and research goals for this semester.